I have had a plastic-type substance in my stool for a while now. It's clearish, the texture between a plastic bag and tissue paper, but thicker, can be torn fairly easily. I'm looking for some direction on a diagnosis, treatment/support/advice. I did have surgery just prior to realizing this. It was to put mesh in my vagina to repair tears from childbirth, and they stitched my anus as well, but I don't believe they were in my intestines during that.
Greetings, since how long the symptoms are there? How large are they? Its color? Is there any other symptom? How are your stool? Are you having constipation or diarrhea? Regards.
The color is sort of clear but not see-through. The size varies. Sometimes the size of a dime/$0.10 but can be 3 inches long and 1/4 inch wide, all different sizes. It easily tears and probably tears as it's coming out. I can go from a size 6 to a size 10 within an hour. My stomach bloats to a huge size. I have stomach pain that can get pretty uncomfortable, and then I go to the bathroom, sometimes in a rush, and feel better. My stools vary from floating and dark to reddish sticky substantial stool. Usually reddish in color though. I feel like I am constipated from the pain and bloating. I go several times a day, but the amount varies. It's never diarrhea really, it's sometimes in a hurry, but not real runny. I know I've had this issue for 4 months, that's the first time I noticed it. Thanks.
Thank you for the input. There can be a few probables. It can be due to a worm. Other probable is mucus. But mucus particles are smaller usually. There can be an infection or inflammation which is causing frequency and urgency with stool. When it is a new symptom, and is continuing, it will be prudent to get an examination by doctor. Stool, rectal examination and other tests can be necessary to find out the cause. Any query, please feel free to ask. It will be my privilege to assist you. Regards.
I don't understand how worm or mucus would cause this. How would I get worms? And mucus is a problem. Why? The substance seems to be foreign, not something coming off my body. What would mucus look like? I know that I need to see a doctor to possibly examine the substance, have an exam, but I'm in the process of moving to New Zealand and don't have insurance, etc. Thought you might help me have sanity until that day or give me ideas to research. I like to have an idea of diagnosis before seeing a physician. Can you give me any further details on your couple of probables?
Can you send any picture of it? From the picture it sounds like worms. But it will need an examination under microscope. You can keep them in saline and in refrigerator before taking to lab, if you cannot take them fresh.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.